In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is the Markdown editor in Joplin. Think of Joplin's Markdown editor as a clean, distraction-free space where you write in plain text but still get rich, polished formatting. Instead of clicking bold or heading buttons, you use simple symbols like number signs and asterisks, and Joplin instantly turns that into nicely formatted notes. The beauty of this approach is that your content stays readable and portable as plain text, which makes it future-proof and easy to edit anywhere, while Joplin takes care of the presentation. Let's get you into the Markdown editor. Open or create a note in Joplin. Look for the editor mode toggle. On most setups, you'll see an M or a small Markdown icon in the top right. On desktop, you can switch between Markdown and rich text views. Choose Markdown if you want to type the formatting yourself. Once you toggle it, you'll see a writing pane where you enter plain text with Markdown syntax, and Joplin will render the result for you as you go, so you can immediately confirm that everything looks right. Now for the basics. Headings are created with number signs. For a large title, type one number sign, then a space, then your heading text. For example, number sign, space, then your heading 1. A subheading uses two number signs, number sign, space, then heading 2. Go one level deeper with three number signs for heading 3. The number of number signs sets the level, and that single space after them matters for correct rendering. For emphasis, bold and italic are quick. To make text bold, place two asterisks on each side of your words. Two asterisks, your text, then two asterisks. For italics, use just one asterisk on each side. This is fast to type and keeps the note readable even before it's rendered. If something doesn't look right, check that your opening and closing asterisks match, and avoid extra spaces inside them. What makes the Markdown editor powerful is how it scales from simple to advanced without changing tools. Start with headings and emphasis today, then explore links, images, checkboxes, code blocks, math, and tables, all with the same plain text approach. Because Joplin renders automatically, you get instant feedback without leaving the editor, which helps you build confidence and speed over time. That's the core idea. Write in plain text, format with simple symbols, and let Joplin handle the styling. Open a note, switch to Markdown, and try a heading, a bold word, and an